Introducing new Creative Sound Blaster Roar. If you have the money to spend on this speaker, don't walk, run to the order button and just buy it. This is easily the best sounding portable speaker I have ever heard, and if you pair them it is likely the sound from these two devices will trounce what most normal people usually listen to music on at home. I have heard several Bose options from the higher-end BD speaker side, and countless BD speakers from the low-end side from all sorts of vendors. This is the first time, in all my testing, that I can say that the price belies the tremendous capability of this speaker. Very highly recommended. Click the blue link in description to see price and discount on Amazon.